In every human being, there lives two sides, one that wants comfort and one that wants greatness. Most people choose comfort, but legends, they choose the fight. Baki Hanma didn't become strong because he was chosen. He became strong because he refused to accept weakness. He looked at pain and said, "Break me, I will return stronger." And that is where greatness begins. The world doesn't care. The world doesn't give strength freely. The world doesn't reward the lazy. The world doesn't respect excuses. Life will hit you. People will doubt you. Pain will test you. You will fall. You will bleed. You will want to quit. But that moment, that exact moment when your body screams, "Stop," your mind must answer, "No, keep going." Baki didn't grow strong by winning easily. He grew strong by suffering, learning, and standing up again and again. The real enemy. Your enemy is not outside. Your enemy is inside. That voice that says, "I'm tired." That feeling that says, "Maybe later." That comfort that whispers, softly, "Rest. Relax. You've done enough." No, you haven't. Baki doesn't run from weakness. He hunts it. He looks it in the eye and destroys it. You must do the same, every single day. Discipline over motivation. Motivation is temporary. It burns bright, then fades. But discipline turns you into a machine. Baki trained when others slept. He pushed when others gave up, because he understood something powerful. If you want to be unstoppable, you must train when nobody is watching. Winners don't need applause. They need progress. Pain is fuel. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is your weapon. Every rep you feel burning. Every morning you wake up tired. Every moment you feel like breaking. That's the moment you grow. Pain is proof you are evolving. Pain means you are becoming someone your old self couldn't handle. Baki embraced pain. Not because he liked suffering, but because he feared staying the same. And so should you. Fight your limits. Your muscles have limits. Your body has limits. But your spirit, limitless. Strength is not in how hard you hit. It's in how hard you endure. When life knocks you down, stand back up. When they laugh at you, get better in silence. When you fail, try again. When you break, rebuild. Every scar is a reminder you didn't quit. Become your own legend. You are not here to be average. You are not here to be ordinary. You are not here to live quietly and fade away. Inside you lives a warrior, a fighter, a beast waiting to awaken. Baki didn't train to impress the world. He trained to conquer himself. Do the same. Every day, every moment, every breath. Because greatness isn't a gift. Greatness is a war. A war with your excuses, your weaknesses, your fears. And every day you fight, you rise. End. So push, fight, rise. Break your limits again and again and again. And one day, the world will look at you with shock and say, "How did you become so strong?" And you will smile and whisper, "I earned it." Be relentless. Be unbreakable. Be unstoppable. Like Baki Hanma. This is your journey. This is your evolution. And your time starts now.